Hey guys, so we're at day 2 of Tokyo Auto Salon, and
Yes,
then
we are.
and today we parked at Costco. What happened? Oh! Oh! Hold on, guys. Funny story is we have Costco membership, hence why we can park at Costco. We just had our regular Costco hot dogs. Look at this. I'm pretty sure these people are eating hot dogs or clam chowders or chicken bakes. I have no idea, but I'm pretty sure they are here for Costco.
Yeah,
right?
that's right. The only way you can get in here is to have a Costco membership. And obviously we're all buying stuff today.
I'm saying
for about 6 hours.
I'm telling Sky, he already knows. He says next year when I come to Tokyo Auto Salon, he's gonna have a Costco membership before that. Look, people are still lining up to park here, so it's definitely so popular. And you know, day 2 is a lot more, and we're just on the way. So. Guys, this has to be one of my favorite cars here for the show. This MK4 Supra. I mean, it's just nuts. I'll show you guys the details. Looking at the engine bay, it's pedal shifted. It has to be a dog box of some sort. And just very cool interior, Alcantara, lightweight design. But just the wrap, the livery itself, it's so popping out. Dude, guys, I can totally see myself rolling in this fair lady. I mean, it's just cool. I'll show you guys some details, but the type of execution on it and how clean it is, it's just, I have no idea. It's untouchable, dude. I have no idea who else can build it like that. I don't even know this car existed. Now I know. Guys, I found the CarMeets AE86. Look at that. It's just pretty much CarMeets. Oh, 1 second. See, look who is this? Oh my god! I'm gonna put the handle right here. That's Suzuki-san.
Yes.
I mean, I have not seen you for a couple months already, huh?
Yes.
Since last time we did idler race, and afterwards we did the Ibisu drifting.
Yes.
And let me find some footage of him doing the crazy donut until the tires shredded. Oh, tire! Ah, tire! Tire!
Crazy man.
Yeah, we'll find that. But now, you built this body kit
Yes,
for the Supra.
New Supra, yes.
Okay.
I make the new Supra. This kit is front lip spoiler.
Okay.
Side skirt.
And the rear. And rear wing.
Yes.
Just slightly aggressive, but everything just makes it look so much better, right?
Yeah.
Like, I'll definitely follow him. You know, I'm a fake car lover, real car lover right here.
Oh, you already are.
No, all right. We'll talk to you guys soon. Jack, my quick question is, out of these 4, which one would you pick?
Oh, the Huracan, no problem. that's a given.
Good choice, good choice. You know, for me, I will pick this Ferrari. I don't know why, but I just love this Ferrari so much. The Tokyo Auto merchandise.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, sign those t-shirts. Yeah, thank you.
Awesome.
Rusty over here.
Yeah. Mark,
Nice to see you. We see ourselves probably more in Japan than we do in America.
I know what's going on. Every single year, we're always here, right?
I'm always here.
I know. Nice to see you, man. Nice to see you in your natural habitat. How
Thank
about
you,
that?
man. This is my natural habitat. I feel at home.
Dude, everybody's so happy here. Yeah,
It's a great time. We got a Liberty Walk party tonight. We got 200 people. I'm hosting it with Tato together. I'm the MC. So excited, man. A lot going on tonight, guys.
Yeah,
a lot going on.
So exciting.
Nice.
Oh.
Did you buy any more cars while you're here?
Yeah, look at this. I got it all signed.
Oh,
Oh
my
my god, yeah.
Look at Mark's do.
I'm
The
a
garage.
fan.
Nice.
I'm a fan. Jack, tell me what's going on. I can't even move. I'm barely breathing because we're tall. When you see this on the street, it literally just tells you, mind your own effing business. I'm just going through. And I don't care. That's what it means. That's what it means. By the way, guys, this is what we're waiting for. Team Amnesia. Oh my god, like, this is nuts. This is my first time seeing a CLK GTR. It's so long. Like in the pictures, you know, where you guys are looking at, it really can't tell how big of the car it is. The presence of it is nuts in person with how big it is. Like, look at that. Look at that. Wow, and the doors and everything. It's very overwhelming in my personal opinion. I'm just still staring at it. Whew, I need to take a moment to soak that in. Better stuff just keeps coming. Like, oh my god, I thought we're done, but we're not. Now we're at the Novatech booth, and I'm gonna show you what they have this year. I'm at Garage Active. I actually just talked to Shachan, and then he said he just got an offer to buy Toyo tires to go to SEMA next year. So we're gonna see Garage Active in SEMA. This is a completely crazy Frankenstein type of a thing they did with a complete ITB kit with an RB31, so pretty much an RB30 engine block with a stroker. It will sound amazing. They haven't tuned it yet based on what they said, but it's gonna sound amazing. I'll show you guys some details, and then that pretty much concludes our day. We actually went and saw everything we wanted to see, and that's the last thing we were trying to find that we missed, and now we see it. This is pretty much it. Yeah, we just talked, right? Next year, SEMA. SEMA, this year, SEMA, yeah. But this one, sugoi desu. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, good car. Yeah, but SEMA, we talked about it. You need R34, you call me. Right. Oh no, thank you. Thanks everybody. Yeah, thank you. Until next year. Bye bye. Hey guys, so this Lexus is still shopping since the morning, and he's still shopping at Costco. I'm pretty sure he bought a lot of things. That kind of concludes the Tokyo Auto Salon chapter for the trip. We're not going back tomorrow. We pretty much got everything that we wanted. However, it still has not end yet, but that concludes tonight. There will be a lot of things still looking forward to, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Hey guys, this is the van that has R35 engine in it. I'm just randomly bumping into it. This is insane. He's probably gonna accelerate pretty soon. Whoa! Let's see what he's gonna do. Oh, it sounds like R35, guys.